Yo guys,
Baby, just pause for me, yeah. Control for me, touch your.
so guys, this challenge I've seen over here. Let's teach it that tutorial. Now, the first step is, sorry if you don't know me, my name is Teoluckzboom and I teach you guys trending dance moves, TikTok challenges. Just comment down below whichever dance you want to learn, I will teach you. So now the first move is baby come pose for me. So or any style you like, baby come pose for me. You can post any kind of style you like. Baby come pose for me. Baby come pose for me. Any style you like, but just pose. So the first step is baby come pose for me. Control for me. So next step is step 2 is you control, like just control for me. Sideways. You just while going sideways. Control for me. I see it, guys. Control for me. Move your body sideways. Control for me. So from the first step over again is baby come pose for me. Control for me. I see it, guys. Control for me. My second step. Now the third step is touch your toe for me. This dance, guys. Take your right leg forward. Take your hands down. Move sideways. Together. Sideways. So it's something like, baby come pose for me. Control for me. Touch your toes for me. Listen, guys. It's touch your toes for me. You're touching to your toes. That's what they say. Let's do this from the beginning again so you can be able to follow. 1, 2, 3, go. Baby come pose for me. Control for me. Touch your toe for me. Are you seeing, guys? So the next step is step 4 is bend your body and so. I think, guys, bend to the right, you bend to the left, you bend to the right, you bend to the left. Please bend your body and so. Let's go, guys. 1, 2, 3, go. Baby come pose me. Control for me. Touch your toe for me. Bend your body and so like that. Listen, guys. So the sound repeats itself again, but let's do it one more time from the beginning. 1, 2, 3. So the next step is you start again. Baby come pose for me again. Then move your whole body. While you move your whole body, you are doing the uppercut move. By turning around. That's the uppercut move. As you move your whole body. I see it, guys. So it's everything together is something like baby come pose for me. Touch your toe for me. Bend your body and so. Baby come pose for me. Move your whole body. Listen, guys. That last part of move your whole body. It's like you are doing the upper quad while bouncing your right leg. 1, 2, 1, 2. Please move your whole body. 1, 2. So doing everything together is like this. You become focus for me, control for me, push your toe for me, bend your muscle, become focus for me, move your whole body, come focus for me. That's that. So guys, that's the full dance tutorial. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe down below. Like this video if you like how I teach how to dance. Don't forget to comment down below the dance challenge you want to see, the dance you want to learn, and if you have any challenges with this tutorial, just comment down below and I will do it. I'll do a video for you on that. So thanks guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Please don't forget to watch these 2 videos over here, and I'll see you guys in the next video.